Prepare signature pizzas, stromboli, and calzones with a Beverage-Air pizza prep table. Made out of heavy-duty stainless steel, these tables are designed to last in a busy commercial kitchen. Their interiors are lined with aluminum for excellent corrosion and rust resistance. Plus, the cabinets have polyurethane insulation to ensure temperature retention. Every table can perform in up to 100-degree ambient heat, which is perfect for a pizzeria since temperatures tend to be high. The top of these prep tables have a rail to hold 6-inch deep food pans filled with your chilled toppings, and even come with 2 pan dividers. All of these units feature 19-inch deep polyurethane cutting boards that allow for plenty of prep space. The cutting board is also removable for easy cleaning. These Beverage-Air pizza prep tables range from 46 inches long to 119 inches long, so you can have 1, 2, 3, or 4 sections underneath the table for refrigerated storage. You can also choose whether you want drawers, doors, or a combination of both. Every section with a door comes with 2 epoxy-coated shelves for versatile storage, while the drawers hold several food pans for immediate refills. For easy moving, each unit comes on 4 3-inch casters. Use a Beverage-Air pizza prep table to provide refrigerated storage as well as prep space in a busy commercial kitchen.